Okay guys, what I'm doing today is I'm going to change this light fixture from halogen lamp to an LED lamp because it's hard to find a bulb nowadays, you know, and it's also expensive if you can find one. It looks very nice. It's a really nice ceiling light that I got, but it's so hard to find the bulbs and it's so expensive now. And it doesn't last that long either. So what I did is I went to Costco and found one of this guy. It's very similar. And it's about 30 bucks, okay, with tax and all that. It's about $30. So the whole process should take roughly about 10 minutes. It's fairly easy to do. So now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out these fixtures. Just make sure the lights, the power is off before you do anything. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see here, you know, I kind of open up the LED light. See here, there's no bulb. It actually comes with it. So, and the back here come with the wire nuts and everything included. So, like I said, the process is fairly simple. All you have to do is take off the old one and just reattach the new one the way it should. So, okay. One thing I do recommend you guys to do is to, before you touch any bare wire, take out the wire nuts. Make sure the power is off. And the other one, the one tool that you can buy is this one called Klein tool, or they have other similar one to that. You can find it at Lowe's or Home Depot. What it does is it tests if there's current to it. Okay, you turn it on. See if I touch the wire, there's current to it, and so it's hot right now. And you know there's current to it. So if I shut off the power and I do it again, there's no current, so it's safe to touch now. Okay, safe to remove the wire nuts and everything. Okay, put on. Okay, replace. The black, go with the black, and the white, go with the white, and of course the green, which is the neutral. The ground cable, it's going any metal fixture right there. So let's test it to see how it works. And voila, we got light. Okay, and that's it. I'll put it all up, and we're about done. So now I got the new fixture replaced, and let's turn it on to see how it works. Okay, well, we tested already, but now it actually looks pretty good. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.